Hey, Brian from Garage Mall. Today I have this multimeter, so let's open it up, see everything that we get in the box. So it even comes with batteries, which is super cool. So those are your test leads, there's your user manual. So let's get the batteries in here. And it comes with this little protective case on it, which is cool. Then you gotta get that little Phillips head out. Okay, so that goes in there, that goes in there. Put that screw back in. Okay, I'm gonna put this back in here. So it's already on, it's set for auto, and I have the perfect use for this because notice expose the ends. I have a light in my sauna that's gone out, and I'm not sure what voltage it is, so let's go check that out. Okay, so this is my sauna light fixture, and it kind of corroded out on me, so I need to find out what voltage it was actually running on. So as we can tell, it's basically about 12 volts DC. So now I got a good connection on it, 12.6. So I know that I'm looking for a 12 volt light fixture. Also very useful to test if you have an outlet that is live or not. Basically just put those probes right in there. So it will auto detect, so that shows it's 122 volts, and that outlet is actually live, so I know that outlet has no issues going on. And great for testing your car batteries. So red goes to positive, black goes to negative, so we can see that the battery is 12.7 volts, so that's good. So let's start the truck up and see if the alternator is good as well. So with our vehicle running, we should definitely get more than 12 volts. So our alternator is showing 14.5. So that's in great health. So anyway, great little multimeter to basically check AC, DC, and basically all your electrical equipment. Anyway, what a great little multimeter to test AC, DC, all your electronics, and all your electrical stuff. Brian from Garage Mall, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.